Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can set your privacy that only your follower can see your post on Mastodon social app. Okay, so how can you set this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see Mastodon social app. So click on your Mastodon. And then click here the pencil button, this one, just click on this and write something. uh, Good night guys. So I just write something, you know, and then if you think that only your followers will see this post, then you need to click here the global icon, the fifth option, this one, the last option. Click on this. Then here you can see three options. Public, it means everyone able to see your post. But if you choose followers only, then those who followed you, only they can see this post. And after that, click published. That's it. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.